how to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. So in this game, the idea of reaching the 5th board on, Monopoly Go is relatively easy. You can finally play the game, so we're gonna collect this free stuff first, but you should be able to see your map in the top right corner so that you'll have an idea on which board you are. So there we go, the top right. Go ahead to the map, and currently I'm in the 2nd board. So I don't know why we have a new account, but the 5th board is Hogwarts apparently. But anyways, to get there, it's basically just simple progression. What you're gonna have to do is upgrade your buildings, and once you upgrade that and maximize it, you should be able to reach the next island. So we're gonna do this real quick so that we can escape this little prison. And then in the build section, you focus on the build section. So get your Monopoly money, or yeah, just money in general, and then upgrade these buildings. Each time the 5 buildings are upgraded to the max, then you will have the option, and the only option, to move to the next city, which is your next board. So it's pretty much that simple. Gain money by going through the board, collecting money, stealing from other people, and destroying other people's property. That way you can get their money. And rents as well. If you wanted to go faster, you could get yourself a multiplier, put it to the max if you want, or whichever you prefer, since the more multiplier you have, the more energy it does take, so it is risky. You might not get anything at all, but the higher the risk, the higher reward. So pretty much depends on you. Actually, we're gonna upgrade this right now to see ourselves reach the next board real quick before we end the video. Like so. Yeah, there we go. So you can see we have maxed buildings now, and once it's max, we press on the go button and we'll be traveling to the next board or the next city. It's pretty much the same thing. Board, city is the same. But anyways, again, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.